Okay, in this presentation, we look at a low-cost solution for online lecture or presentation using chalk and talk as well as pen and paper approach. The objective is to use a smartphone as a webcam and microphone for video conferencing, online lectures and presentation. There are a number of reasons why we require this. The desktop PC that we may not have camera. It may not, even if you have a laptop, the camera in the laptop cannot be focused towards writing pads conveniently, because you would like to have the camera vertically above the writing pad, which is very inconvenient to do with the laptops. And another reason is the microphone in the PC or laptop may be less sensitive or it may be defective. And the microphone in the phone will be more closer to the presenter, because you will be writing and the camera, the webcam using the smartphone will be just above your writing pad, and hence the microphone also will be closer to you than the microphone on the laptop or PC. And of course, another good reason is the conventional webcams may be webcams with higher resolutions will be costly, and it will be too bulky to be fixed just above the writing pad. Actually, there are many apps for converting the smartphone as webcam and the microphone. For example, you have iCam, EpocCam, DroidCam, and so on. There are many apps which will enable you to convert a smartphone into a webcam, and there are many application notes. There are many application notes and YouTube videos on this conversion. For example, you have the PC magazine, article in PC magazine, the article in Tom's Guide, the article in the verge.com. They all explain about how to convert the smartphone into a webcam and at what cost, whether it is free or paid. And similarly, the website canoni.com gives detailed instruction about how to use the EpocCam and what are the different procedures. Okay, in this presentation we are actually concentrating on how to use the EpocCam and EpocCam HD for conversion. Mostly we will be using only EpocCam HD for the conversion. The novelty about this presentation is there are many presentations already, YouTube videos on already available. The novelty about this presentation is how the pen and paper approach for presentation using video conferencing can be adapted using the smartphone as the webcam. Okay, so how pen and paper approach for the presentation through video conferencing can be adapted with webcams realized using smartphone. This software, the EpocCam as well as the EpocCamHD, is the software which is offered by the Finland-based company Kinoni. This webcam can be connected to the laptop or PC using either USB or Wi-Fi. Okay, and both these softwares can be downloaded and installed in either Android or iOS smartphones. using Play Store or App Store. Okay, the EpocCam is free. Okay, whereas the other software, EpocCamHD, needs to be purchased at rupees 599. Of course, it can be, you can make the payment through online. The EpocCamHD is preferred because it has more features. You can connect the webcam using both Wi-Fi and USB. You can use the smartphone's microphone as the microphone to PC or laptop, and there would be no advertisement and there would be no watermarking. Okay, the EpocCamHD enables you to connect the phone both using Wi-Fi and USB, and its microphone can be used, and there would be no advertisement or watermarking, whereas these are not possible with the EpocCam that is freely available. Okay, additional advantages of EpocCamHD are the video resolution can be chosen, whether you want a high definition or low definition can be chosen, and the type of connection, whether you want USB or Wi-Fi, also can be chosen. And another important advantage is it's not necessary that you should have the internet for connecting the webcam to the laptop or PC. You may want to do video recording of your lectures. Okay, further, it is not necessary that you should have the webcam, or it's not necessary that you should have the Wi-Fi. Okay, now the question is whether when you are using the webcam using the smartphone, what happens to the calls that are received during this time? Can we receive a call when you are using the smartphone as the webcam? When the phone call comes, can we receive? Yes, when you actually receive calls, you can actually receive the call. The call can be received, it can be rejected, but immaterial of whether you want to whether you accept the call, reject or ignore. Okay, when the call comes, when you accept the call, reject it or ignore, the webcam gets disconnected. Okay, so when the webcam gets disconnected in the video conferencing session, the video will be disrupted during this period. Okay, when a call comes, you may accept it or you may reject it or you may ignore it. The material of whatever you do, the moment a call comes, the webcam gets disconnected from the video conferencing software or the laptop, and during this period the video will be interrupted. Okay, so to restore the video, what you have to do, you have to reconnect the webcam. You have to reconnect the webcam. To do this, what you have to do, you have to press the home button. You have to press the home button in the mobile and open the EpocCam HD again on the mobile. You don't have to do anything on the laptop. You only have to press the home button in the mobile and then open the EpocCam CD HD software. The moment you do that, it will get reconnected. You don't have to do anything on the laptop side. In case you want uninterrupted virtual video conferencing using the webcam, then of course you have to put the smartphone in the flight mode. If you put the smartphone in the flight mode, the webcam will be available all the time without any interruption during the video conferencing session. Okay, now what are we have already seen that EpocCamHD has to be installed on the mobile. next we shall see what is the software to be installed in the PC or laptop. So for accessing the webcam, you have to download the Kinoni driver. Okay, this Kinoni driver has to be downloaded and installed. It has to be downloaded and installed on the PC or laptop. One good thing is these drivers are free. These drivers are free. You can download it from the website kinoni.com. You can download it from kinoni.com, www.kinoni.com, and it can be installed in any number of systems. You may have number of systems at home, you may have a number of systems in the office. You can install this Kinoni driver in any number of systems, and the same webcam can be used with any system. The same webcam can be used with any system, but the only restriction is you can only use one system at a time. You can't have, if you have the driver enabled, it will get connected to only one of the systems. So you have to ensure that only one of the system is enabled. Okay, the webcam is activated by either the EpocCam or EpocCamHD software on the smartphone. The moment you open that software, it will start taking picture. It will take the video of whatever you have. Okay, you can either use the front camera or back camera. There is an option to choose either the front camera or back camera. So once you open the software, the video or the picture of whatever you focus will be available on the mobile screen. Okay, and once it is activated on the laptop, once you activate the webcam on the PC or laptop, this webcam will be recognized as a camera. Okay, once you activate on the mobile, automatically on the laptop or PC, it would be recognized as a camera. Of course, we are assuming that both the laptop and the mobile are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. They have to be connected to the same Wi-Fi network, or they should be connected through the USB. Okay, once you connect both of them to the same Wi-Fi network or through USB, the moment the mobile phone is activated, the laptop or PC would recognize that camera, and this can be used with any VC software such as Skype, WebEx, Microsoft Meetings, Zoom, and so on. Okay, it will automatically appear in the list of cameras, so you can choose that camera. Okay, not only that camera will appear, even the microphone will appear. Of course, for the microphone to appear, you have to go to the settings and then enable the microphone on your settings. Okay, now we shall see how we can actually record the lectures using chalk and talk or pen and paper approach using the webcam. If you want to do this in Windows 10 machine, you have an app called as a camera app. The camera app in Windows 10 can be used for video recording. Now we are not talking about video conferencing, we are talking about video recording of the lecture, where webcam is going to be used for video recording, and the webcam is realized using the smartphone. Okay, so first thing that you have to do is you have to run the camera app in the PC or laptop. So you have to run the camera app in the PC or laptop, and you have to open the EpocCamHD on the phone. Now fix the phone to capture the image of the pen and paper that you are going to use for the lecture. Fix the phone to capture the image of the pen and paper that you will be using for the lecture. Then for fixing this camera or fixing your smartphone, you may use the selfie stick. So many of you might be already having the selfie stick. The selfie stick may be used for fixing the camera. For fixing it, preferably you can fix it 1 feet above the writing pad. Of course, it doesn't matter because you can still focus the camera. You can focus the smartphone camera so that it is properly focused. Okay, so it's not a problem whether it is 1 feet or less. It's not a problem because you can still focus using your smartphone. But for fixing the camera just above the writing pad, there can be many approaches. For example, I have used the beaker stand. The beaker stand, many of you would have used in your chemistry lab. The beaker stand is used for fixing the selfie stick so that it is pointed exactly right above the pen and paper. I have shown some pictures of, for example, this is one of the ways. So I have this is the clamp used with the beaker. This is the clamp used with the beaker stand. So you have the horizontal clamp. That clamp is used for fixing the selfie stick. This is the selfie stick. This is the selfie stick. So you can see this is the selfie stick. This is the selfie stick, and this is where the camera is fixed. So you can see the top view, how the camera is fixed onto the selfie stick. Okay, this shows the top view. So you can see whatever you have put at the bottom. Okay, this image is captured onto the mobile. This is captured onto the mobile. Okay, this shows another view of this. Okay, so this shows how a selfie stick and beaker clamp for can be used for fixing the camera for online lecture. This shows another way to fix the. This is the beaker stand. This is a vertical rod you have in the beaker stand, and this is the horizontal clamp. Okay, this is where normally your beaker will be held. Okay, so this is a vertical rod in the beaker stand, and this is the horizontal rod that will hold the beaker. Instead of holding the beaker, now we are holding the selfie stick. Selfie stick is now looking like a L shape, and this is where we fix the camera. Of course, I have put some books basically because the beaker stand is not balanced, so I have put some books so that it is rigidly fixed and it's not getting tilted. Okay, incidentally, I am from National Institute of Technology, Tiruchirappalli. Okay, this is our website, www.natt.edu. And of course, now using the camera app, you can record or take pictures. Okay. Next, we shall see how the online lectures can be delivered through video conferencing. I will be using the WebEx. You can use WebEx or Microsoft Meeting or Zoom, anything for delivering the online lectures, or even Skype. But the challenge is what you write on the paper and captured by the webcam is too small on the local system. If you see the local system where you are delivering the lecture, the whatever you write will appear to be very small. I mean, the image will appear too small, and you can probably see the magnified version by viewing the camera, but even on the camera preview, what you write will be too small. You can't really see what you write really appears correctly or not. So that is one of the challenge. To overcome this problem, actually what you can do, you can join the meeting through two systems. Okay, you can join this meeting through one more system with another ID. Audio of the second system should be muted disabled to avoid echo. Okay, normally you tend to mute the microphone, but you don't mute the speaker. But in the audio of the second system, both the microphone should be muted and the speaker also should be muted. Okay, to avoid the echo. Now adjust the paper using the video seen on the second system. So you can conveniently adjust the video. You can looking at the video, you can adjust the paper so that the paper is properly aligned, and you can verify what you write appears there. Okay, that's all. Thank you.